Wait. Okay. Uh, I think it is important to organize a speech, a great speech, and there are several organization pattern we can choose. And for this problem, to example, Kia furniture, I think the chronological is the best pattern we can choose, since we have to uh, take this take a lot of furniture components into into one step by step. So you have to follow the instructions and do it step by step, and it is the this pattern is the best to choose. And to sum up, I think this kind of speech can also follow this way to like step by step or instruction,
看一下，
and it's a great pattern we can choose.
Good job. Good